Hey rookies, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. We have some things that we should talk about before we even get on the road to chase. I'm calling today's video Before We Chase. This is where I insert some inspirational quote about preparing well, helps you to succeed, or something like that. If you need one, Google it. Let's be real. Storm chasing can be dangerous because weather is unpredictable. Driving can also be dangerous because, well, other drivers suck. We're going to spend some time talking about how I prepare to go chasing. In thinking about how I have prepared for my handful of chases, first, I realized how many times I rushed out the door completely unprepared. There was one time I brought a camera without batteries. Completely forgot I took the batteries out to charge. Great job. So then I thought a little deeper. I realized the most important part is to prepare mentally. Being a rookie storm chaser has shown me how much I have to learn. You see it? Our storm. It's out there. No? Neither do I. I have already experienced some extremely discouraging and frustrating moments on chases. I am a bit of a perfectionist. Okay, full-blown perfectionist. So that doesn't help when I choose the wrong storm, or I struggle to navigate to the right spot, or just flat out don't know what I'm looking at or what I'm doing. But on the flip side, I've experienced the absolute joy and excitement from finding a beautiful looking storm.
Look at it! I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm so excited.
From conversations I have had with other storm chasers, this emotional roller coaster ride of excitement and disappointment, highs and lows, seems to be normal. But what can we do to prepare ourselves so the frustrating moments do not lead us to quit? I experienced one of those extremely frustrating moments in Colorado in 2023. I had driven many miles in less than 24 hours to chase by myself. I was so excited to be out there doing the thing. Unfortunately, I made a few navigational choices that put me further away from the storm than I wanted to be. I was in a spot where I couldn't figure out how to get myself back in position. I was mad at myself. I wanted to quit storm chasing completely. Remember, perfectionist. But I had a voice of reason that day, named Max, who encouraged me to keep chasing. I ended up seeing some really cool storms later on that day. Did I mention emotional roller coaster rides? I went from wanting to completely quit storm chasing to absolute joy in a few hours. It's crazy. Okay, back to preparing to storm chase. I think one of the biggest ways we can prepare mentally is to have a reason or a motivation to go chasing. For me, My reason is simply to see the power and beauty of nature. I'm going to be real with you. There are going to be people who do not understand why you would want to storm chase at all. There are going to be chasers who have different goals than you. That is okay. I cannot emphasize this enough. Chase everything you want to chase. If you want to chase non-severe storms, go for it. If you want to chase shelf clouds and take a selfie, go for it.
Selfie, yes! Let's take a selfie!
Very good.
Who wants to get my selfie?
If you only want to chase tornadoes, be my guest. If you want to chase hurricanes, good luck. I will not be the person to help you learn. Chase everything you want to chase. We're going to continue this conversation in the next video. We'll talk more about tools and gear we might need. Until next time, remember, everyone was a rookie once.